January 26th. My birthday, then traveling to Bangkok via Korea, and I'm taking the Asiana Airlines. Thank you. Oh, someone just going to show you happy Monday here in Bangkok, and I think it's Sunday night in the US. This is the place where I stayed during my Bangkok trip. The hotel is called V1 Pride on Sukhumvit 22 Bangkok. Alright, so anybody visiting Bangkok, it's a 6-story building. Very, very fair price, room price. I paid very cheap, like $198 for 5 nights. So that's an exceptional deal. Alright, so it's a very tourist, the hotel is located touristic place, so it's perfect for visitors. And the street looks like this in the morning. Bangkok street, right? The taxi is here, red color taxi, pink and yellow taxi here. See, this is what it looks like in the morning, early morning, where I'm putting up for my short trip in Bangkok. And all the stores open now Monday morning. There's a lot of alleys in Bangkok. You see everywhere there's an alley, like India, New Delhi, And a lot of restaurants inside too. Sometimes you don't know. There are some good restaurants inside the alley. So you need to figure it out. Walk, explore is the best policy. Alright guys?
Joe Biden.
No good?
No.
Joe Biden good.
Huh?
Joe Biden good.
Oh, Joe Biden good.
Yeah, Trump.
Trump no.
No. Trump no good. Yeah. Joe Biden good. Kalau tu sangat jelek. Kalau aku sure je 7-Eleven kasi kau juga tak Thailand. 7-Eleven juga convenience store, major convenience store Asia. Ada tulis saja dah sini. Ini juga saya kan Asia. Busy, very busy night. Monday nights, I came to a noodle place. It's jam-packed, and I heard a very good review for this noodle place. A lot of Chinese tourists and foreigners here, you can see. All right, so hope to have a blast.